Yo, what's up guys? It's Mikey Kass. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how I generated over $20,000 in one single day, operating at literally 80 or like 74.9% profit margins. And obviously this is completely unheard of. Like when I first started ecom, I was doing Facebook ads for like a year, 2 years, losing money. I was very young, so it was kind of hard to, fund that. And it was very hard for me to find a product. But as many of you guys know, TikTok, organic specifically, has been going crazy for so many people wanting to start drop shipping. So I'm going to do a full store reveal. I'm not going to hold anything back, but I'm also just going to keep it simple. It's just a YouTube video, and I just kind of want to, show you how it's done. So if we jump into my dashboard, on June 22nd of 2021, we generated $20,000, a little over $21,000. We had 93,000 visitors to the store. Conversion rate was obviously kind of trash. It was 0.75, but obviously with almost 100,000 people on the site with, 699 orders, pretty solid. Average order value is $28, and literally it blew up from one TikTok. That was literally all it is, and I'm going to show you exactly why this TikTok worked. I have it right here.
Yo, Coop Selco, yeah, these military-grade lasers are real. Like, you can see it's pretty light out here, yet this thing casts a beam that can literally be shined all the way to the freaking moon. This thing has, like, over 20...
Okay, so the number one thing is, TikTok is, obviously, everyone's going to watch the first second or two. That doesn't matter. But how are you going to, like, capture their attention for, like, the seconds from, like, 4 to 7? I think those are the most important things. And obviously, or honestly, like, you have to say something controversial or contradictory. So I said, this laser has a 25-mile range, so it can reach the freaking moon, dude. And man, I got so many comments saying like 25 miles isn't the moon, and I obviously made mistakes. And in another video, or I think maybe it was this video, I was like, I said that, there's free worldwide shipping or whatever to the main countries. And then everyone's like, what are the main countries? Like, who does this guy think he is, or something like that? And obviously, me thinking in my ecom head, I was thinking main countries, like top 5. So yeah, everyone started commenting that, also the moon stuff, and that just drove up the engagement. So shoot your product videos, but obviously make it controversial. Have some sort of thing that throws them off in there. Like in one of the videos, I had, what's his name? Bill Cosby. I had Bill Cosby on my desktop, and that video got like 100, 200,000 views, which isn't much, but it'll still make me, $1,000 to $2,000. Also on the Shopify store at the time, I didn't have a custom landing page. I actually paid this guy Callum. Maybe I'll shout him out. Callum Noble. If you guys want his thing, just DM me on Instagram at Mikey Kass. Paid him $200, and he made me a fire landing page. And I didn't have this at the time. And once I actually did this, I think my conversion rate almost doubled, like literally almost doubled. We've had obviously we've still had, several $1,000 days, but it's been lower traffic, but I've still been able to like maintain this revenue by building a solid landing page. I believe it was made through Gemflow, or not Gem Pages, or I think it was like Webflow or something like that. So you can see this is obviously not just like the standard Shopify product page. Here we have some sort of overlay, some graphic overlay, with like a PNG file. See how it's like transparent with a shadow. So fire landing page. I literally just led them here, and I was like, yo guys, if you want like a link in the bio, if you want like a link in the bio, like to get or like if you want to get the same one that I have, I'll put the link in my bio. And obviously I did leverage my house, which it does have a crazy view of like, here in the Hollywood Hills. But yeah, I leveraged that, and that also just captures their attention. So hey, if you have access, or you live in a place where you can leverage it for shooting fire content, I did exactly this, and made me 20K in a day. Literally at the peak, we had a $2,000 hour, and at the most, I think we had like 1,500 visitors on our site at one time. So yeah, that's basically it. You can see some of them, stats and stuff. It's not fake, it's all real. But I've been able to achieve multiple days like this. Also with TikTok, and not every day you're gonna be making 20K, but you do want to have those solid, anchor videos that have, millions of views, and you're really looking for those home swings. But on the days where you're not, making 20K in a day, you can make, several $100s a day. You can get a few sales here and there, hundreds of visitors coming to your site within the day. So honestly, guys, I think I, showed everything that you needed to see. It's literally just a simple laser, which also on TikTok, you kind of have to use these products that like create controversy. Like obviously you can see how this laser is pretty dangerous, blah, blah, blah. And people, it gets like their mind just starts like running through ideas that you can like shoot with this laser. So that also helps. Like the typical, Facebook more logical products don't work as well on TikTok is what I've seen. It's those more emotional ones. And obviously TikTok is, mainly catered to younger people. So they don't want to be buying like a kitchen cleaner, like some basic like home essentials and stuff. They want to buy this crazy stuff that's like, they can show it their friends and they can like mess around and like have fun. And yeah, I actually, have the product right here. And originally I bought the product when I was like 15 because I literally thought it was cool. So my friend told me about this business model of like using TikTok for organics. I'm like, hey, let me try it. On our third day, we literally did $18,000 in a day. This is completely separate from this video or from this day right here, June 22nd. But my third day doing it, we also did another $18,000. Once again, 75% profit margins. And, yeah, it was because genuinely, like, I bought the product when I was at a young age, which is like the ideal age that I was targeting on TikTok. And I knew it was going to work well. It's controversial. And you got to have that YouTuber type voice. Like, yo, guys, look at this military grade laser, blah, blah, blah. Like, I haven't seen much success, personally speaking, with like, hey, guys, look at this military grade and just stating all the facts. You got to use emotion. You got to have fun with it. People got to be commenting. Like, I think someone commented on my video, like, oh, this guy has a typical YouTuber voice, blah, blah, blah. And like, honestly, I think it helps. And then also PewDiePie, actually, he posted one of my TikToks in his videos, which was also cool. It was actually for a different product. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, I think that, kind of sums it up. It's pretty simple, honestly. It's just going to show the results, going to show, the potential to like scale this to much higher. And honestly, hopefully this video inspires the youth, all the young people watching this video, because this is a crazy opportunity that when I started, I didn't have. So literally all it takes is Amazon Prime to order the product to your home, shoot content with it, and the sky's the limit. There's literally no excuse with the drop shipping. It's only getting easier despite what everyone says. So yeah, I'll end the video there. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, put it down below. I'll probably be responding to every single comment. And let me know if you have any other video recommendations. So peace.